Changamoto nyingine ni culture. Ukiona kama location, sisi tuko na location 7, lakini kuna location ambayo haina changamoto ya urbanism na kuna location zingine ambayo ina changamoto. Unapoangalia yale location ambayo ina border, wengine wana border kama Shumpoli wana border Tanzania.
Our youth and both boys and girls go through to access education. Some of the challenges that I personally experienced was, for example, when there's drought and people don't have access to enough school fees and all that kind of things, and also the cultural stuff like marrying off girls when they're young. So we're just here to talk to the community and say it's important to give everybody an opportunity. And arranged marriages, we need to stop that because the future is education and the key to success is education. So we have to give everybody an equal opportunity to access education.
Yeah, it's a continuous initiative, started about 5-6 years back. We're getting all the kids, our educationists, the teachers, the principals, getting together, talk about what has happened and also recognize the high achievers in terms of the school. Let the old bursary recipients talk, the alumni talk about the career paths they have had, how they benefit. So they provide motivation to our children here. So this is the practice, that sharing a bit of best practice, getting motivated, being as a group together, talking, celebrating. I think that's the effort we do in the Education Day, put learner in the center.